Very good morning, student. Today we'll study multiplication of decimal fraction. You can open your textbook, page number 33. First we'll study example. Here it is given 3.7 into 8. Now how to do this 3.7? Now remove the decimal point and put 10. Why 10 will come? Because the decimal it is after one number. Here you can see one number. So 10 will come. Now you can multiply the numerator and the denominator. So below 10 it is given. So after one number you will get the point. So this is the answer. This is the second method it is here. You will write 3, then 7. Here you will write upon 10. Then on this side, that is in the, this is the first box, second box and the third box. Then on the second row you will write here 8. So 8 3s are 24. Then 8 7s are 56. So 56 upon 10 means what? It is 5.6. Then you can add it up 24 and 5.6. You will get this answer. The next method it is you multiply the number first and then you put the point. Point will be say 3.7. So that means after one number the point it is here. You have to move back side now. After one number point it is here. So after one number you will put the point. Now here it is given if 317 into 45 is equal to 14,265, then what will be 3.17 into 4.5? Answer is already given, only you have to put the decimal point. So for the first number the decimal point it is after two number, and for the second number decimal point it is after one number. So 2 and 1 become 3. So you have to count from 1 2 3. After 3 number put the decimal point. In a similar way this sum also answer is already given. The decimal point where you will put this is 1 and 2. Then 1 and 2. So how many numbers comes? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 number put the decimal point. Here also multiplication you first do the multiplication and then you put the decimal point. So decimal point will be here 1 and here one more 1. So 1 and 1 2. So after 2 number put the decimal point. So like this it is being solved here. The third sum it is not solved, the remaining sum of multiplication not solved, so that you can do on your own. Now come to the word problem. It is said Virendra bought 18 bags of rice, each bag weighing 5.250 kg. So the weight of one bag it is how much? 5.250 kg. So what will be the weight of 18 bags? So you have to multiply it. So when you multiply it, here you can see you will get this answer. So that is you have to multiply and then after how many number the decimal it is 1 2 3. After getting the answer 1 2 3, so that is 94.5. So this you got the answer. Then next it is the cost of rice per kg it is how much? 42. So what will be the cost of 94.5 kg of rice? Multiply, you will get the answer. Here you can see it is, see 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40. Then afterwards 8 twos are 16, 16 and then it is 20, 40 na? So 4, 16 plus 4 20, then 8 fives are 40, 41, 42 here. So then it comes like this. Then afterwards this is what we have to do 1 2 3. After 3 number put the decimal point. So you got this answer. Then after 1 2 3, so that it comes 94.5 like this. Next, this is there. After getting the answer, the point will be after one number. So that means here this is the answer. So after one number. So after point 0 it is there. So that means it doesn't have any value. So 3969. Come to the next. Vedika has 23.5 meters of cloth. She used to it make 5 curtains of equal size. If each curtain required 4 meters 25 centimeter to make the curtain, how much cloth still remains with her? Now she has made how many curtains? 5 curtains, and each curtains required what is the size? It is how much it requires the cloth? 4 meters 25 centimeter. So that is 4.25 meter for the one cloth, and she has made 5 curtains. So what is the total cloth required for the 5 curtains? Multiply it. Now she had 23.50, and then she had may, and she has this much, and she required 21.25. So how much it is left? It is 2.25. Here you can see 10 minus 5, 5. Then afterward 3, sorry, it will be 4, 4 minus 2, 2. Then 3 minus 1, 2. So like this you will be solving the sum. Now come to the next, it is the division. Now how to do the division? Here it is example, it is given. Now suppose 5.8 divided by 2. So first you remove the decimal point, that is 58.5.8. So that means below 10 will come, then divided by 2. Below nothing it is, so that is 1. Now the second fraction, you have to inverse it. So that means it will come as 1 upon 2. So it is said to divide by number means to multiply by its reciprocal, or you can say inverse. So this fraction, the second number, for that will be converted into the inverse, it will be, or you can say multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal. Similarly 10.2 divided by 5, remove the decimal, put 10, then divided by 5 upon 1, so that it will be converted into 1 upon 5. Then bring this 102 here, it is here, then 5 times are 50. Then what you will do, it is here it is multiplied by the 2. Why? So as to bring 100 down, and then you will get the answer as 2.04. Like that also if you multiply you will get the answer. Next it is 6.8 divided by 1.7, so that is 68 upon 10, and then it is 1.7, so that it will be 17 upon 10. Now this, change it, inverse it, so that is 10 upon 17, 10 and 10 will get cancelled, so that 68 upon 17, answer is 4. In a similar way you have to do the division here, just as 4.8 divided by 2, so 48 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1, this 2 upon 1 will be converted into, so that is 1 upon 2. Okay, in this way you will be doing the sum. Next it is said a road is 4 km 800 meter long if trees are planted on both of its sides at intervals of 9.6 meter. How many trees were planted? What is the length of the road? 4 km 800 meter. Convert this into meter. So that is 4 km will be converted into 4000. So that is 4800 meter. Then divided by 9.6. You will get what answer? You will get this 96 upon 10 converted. So you will get the answer as 500 trees. Here see 48, 48, 100 ja, then afterwards 2 5 ja. Like this you will get. So 100 trees were planted on both the sides of the road. So not 100, it is 1000 trees. 500 trees on one side. So on both the side it will be 1000 trees. In a similar way you will be doing this sum, that is Pratna exercise regularly by walking along a circular path on a field. If she walks a distance of 3.825 km in 9 rounds, she is walking this much. So in one round it will be how much? So divided by 9. Like this you have to divide by 9, and then this second fraction convert into the reciprocal. First divide, you get the answer as 425, then afterwards upon 1000, so 1 2 3, so 1 2 3, after 3 number put the point. In a similar way this, a pharmaceutical manufacturer bought 0.25 quintal of hirda, a medicinal plant, for 9500 rupees. So 0.25 quintal hirda for 9500 rupees. So what will be the cost of one, that is per quintal of hirda? So you have to divide. So 9500 divided by 0.25, so that will be 25 upon how much it will be? 2 zeros will come down, so 100. Then this inverse this, so that is 100 upon 25. Then 25 fours are 100, then multiply it, you will get the answer.